Good afternoon, this is McKayla Tennyson with grain commentary for the week ending November 1st. Corn futures finished up 3 cents, soybean futures finished up 2 cents, and wheat futures finished up 3 cents. Corn futures have been range-bound lately due to a lack of any sort of fresh fundamental news. Monday's crop progress report pegged corn harvest at 41% complete compared to last year's progress at 61% complete. Corn export sales this week were weak, but were friendly compared to prior weeks, with sales at 549,000 metric tons. Some of the top buyers being Mexico, Saudi Arabia, and Japan. Mexico is starting to see some Brazilian corn coming in, as U.S. corn is still overpriced in the global markets. There was a report this week that Nancy Pelosi said that the House is on a path to yes to ratifying the USMCA trade deal between U.S., Mexico, and Canada. Soybean futures have also been range-bound this week and have had a downward trend since mid-October, but found support later in the week from export sales and fund buying. Export sales this week were 944,000 metric tons, with the top buyers being China, Germany, and Thailand. The soybean market is getting sick of the optimism on this trade deal with China and really just wants the deal to get signed. China is asking the U.S. to remove tariffs, but the U.S. does not want to remove them until there's a deal signed. There have been 2 more cases of African swine fever in South Korea. North Korea also reported that they have lost 1,000 head at a farm that produces 10,000 hogs. Harvest has once again been delayed from rain and snow, but some areas that did not receive any are still going strong. Monday's report had soybean harvest at 62% complete compared to 69% last year. This is the slowest harvest pace for corn and beans since 2009. Wheat futures have been lower most of the week, not finding strength from corn and beans until later in the week. Export sales this week were okay at 494,000 metric tons to Japan, the Philippines, and Italy. Monday's report said that winter wheat planting is about 85% complete compared to 77% last year. There's a USDA crop production and supply and demand report that will be released at 11 a.m. next Friday, November 8th, and as always, watch the market for any selling opportunities. Another reminder that this weekend is daylight savings, so don't forget to turn your clocks back 1 hour on Saturday before you go to bed. Thank you for listening to this week's market update, and have a great weekend.